The 9 elements of digital citizenship. Digital access. Technology users need to be aware that not everyone has the same opportunities when it comes to technology. Digital commerce. Technology users to understand that a large share of market economy is being done electronically. Digital communication. One of significant changes within the digital revolution is a person's ability to communicate with other people. Digital literacy. While schools have made great progress in the area of technology's infusion, much remains to be done. Digital etiquette. Technology users often see this area as the most pressing problems when dealing with digital citizenship. Digital law. Digital law deals with the ethics of technology within society. Digital rights and responsibility. In the words of Spider-Man's saga, with great power comes great responsibility. Digital health and wellness. The physical and physiological well-being of children in the digital world is a critical issue that keeps many parents awake at night. Digital security. Digital security is basically protecting yourself in the digital world, protecting your self-identity. Solo. Fish curry, you're gonna record. Fish in there is also so good.